Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about how to build a circuit using a push button and how this push button will help us to turn on the LED. So let's build it. First I'm going to take out the breadboard, a resistor, LED, and a push button. So I'm going to change the value of the LED to 330 ohm. Let's first put this here and rotate the LED, the push button. So 330 ohm, and one of the terminal of the LED will be connected to the push button, and the other terminal will be to the power supply, which is the positive. Then the anode of the LED will be connected to another side of the terminal of the push button, and cathode will be connected to the ground. So now I'm gonna use a 9-volt battery. So the positive terminal will go to the positive side, power supply, and then the ground. Now let's start the simulation, and it works. So for the push button, obviously it's a push button, so you have to push it then to be turned on. But when you stop pressing it, it will turn off. Thank you for watching.